Now we change the dial to D. When we change the D stitch length to 4, that is maximum, stitch speed would be fast. This is the original speed. I didn't increase the video speed. This is also a nice beautiful design. If you have double, there is one twin needle also that comes with this machine. So if you are using twin needle or using a thicker thread or a different kind of fabric, because this is a woolen fabric, so it shows differently. Cotton would show slightly different. Okay, now we change this D, dial D, and double S stitch length, and this is your design, but by mistake I had switched off the camera, so I show you once again. This is dial is on D, stitch length on double S, and stitch width 4. Here under this thing on the machine you can see the design. So I show you once again, once again it is for me because I switched off the camera. So here you can see it is the same design, right? So this is also one of the beautiful design. The design should be neat even under that fabric.